class really turned some heads, and everybody seemed to like it. So the lead-off test took in the Alicon Light Limited Super Stock Tractors tonight is gonna be Jared Wheeler. He's out of Fayetteville, Ohio. About Wheeler, our lead-off test took the tractor called Redemption. Redemption, a little bouncy there mid-track. We'll see what track officials want. It's Archie from Ansonia, Ohio. The judge running a pair. So the judge will come back later. Here comes Dean Seth, the whiskey bet, yeah! And that's going to do it for Whiskey Ben out of Carrollton, Ohio. A tractor owned by Dave Seth and 906. Be up, new lead-off test took on the modified side. On the other side, check this tractor out, ladies and gentlemen. Cody Wheeler. He's from Winchester, Ohio, a Massey Ferguson 7720. It's called Dark Horse. He's 32 years old in the excavating business. Ferguson 7720. Beautiful tractor. It's called the Dark Horse. Do it for the Dark Horse Good Hook out of Winchester, Ohio. He has a wife, Hannah, and they have a dog. The Alicon. A lot of the tractors tonight from Sullivan, Ohio, we thank you. And a good run, the Case International 1896 Jake Huffman alcohol burner. That is a beautiful Lumber's Nightmare. Gonna be a little short. 262.126. 262.126. That'll put him in second place. Mark Jewett with a wild time, still in the lead at 285. knows Dale Monreal. Used to pull modified tractors. A lot of you might remember when he pulled the super modified four-wheel drive called Black on Black. But when he built this tractor a couple years ago, that's why he named it the last one. This is the last one. Tough break for Dale In the distance for the Kentuckian, a new leader. Wow, 3:31. Thank you to the National Tractor Pulling Championship for being a circuit sponsor. Here comes the Green Grenade, yeah! And another good run. They're in the Light Limited Superstock, sponsored by Avalocon. Short for Craig Sage, 326.90 mulch. And Schaefer's Oil, Schaefer's Specialized Lubricants, thank you. Here comes Mad Money Extreme. Gonna do it for the Alice Chalmers Alcohol Burner.